The question is, choose the most appropriate alternative from the options given below to complete the following sentence. Suresh's dog is the one dash was hurt in the stampede. Option A, that. Option B, which. Option C, who. And option D, whom. In the four given options, it is very clear that option C and option D are not the right answer, because who and whom are generally used only when people are concerned. Here we are talking about a dog. So option C and option D are straight away ruled out. That and which both seem right in this place. Here there are two concepts called restricted relative clause and unrestricted relative clause. So here that and which are clauses. Restricted relative clause is when you combine two sentences in which the second part is necessary information to make sense of the first part, whereas unrestricted relative clause is when the second part is extra information on the first part. For example, here if you eliminate the second half along with the clause, the first half does not make sense. Suresh's dog is the one. It does not make sense. So you need a second sentence which connects this to make sense. So when you use a restricted relative clause, that fits into the sentence. So option A is the right answer. Whereas unrestricted relative clause is when the second part is extra information which adds to the first part. For example, Suresh read compiler's book which had a page missing. So which had a page missing is extra information without which the sentence still makes sense. Suresh read compiler's book. So one hint by which you can recognize a restricted and unrestricted is that generally when you use unrestricted relative clause, there is a comma just before the clause. So if there is a comma just before the clause, it's generally unrestricted relative clause. These are not empirical rules, but these fit into most of the contexts. So option A, that is the right answer.